Hey guys, it's Jessie Lipke at Power Girl Fitness and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making my crab stuffed mushroom caps. These are a healthy appetizer, perfect for any dinner party, and I guarantee everyone's going to enjoy them. So let's get into it. These are all of the ingredients that you're going to need in today's recipe. So of course we have our mushroom caps. Then I have a handful of fresh parsley, chives, half a teaspoon each of dill tips, cayenne pepper, and sweet paprika. We have 4 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of habanero mustard. Then I have 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 3 cups of crab meat, which I've popped in the blender just to get it nice and finely chopped like that. Then we have 3 tablespoons of cream cheese and 3 tablespoons of truffle mayo. I'm also going to be using a bit of salt and pepper. So go ahead and grab all of those ingredients and let's go. Before we prepare our mushrooms, we just need to preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you have gone ahead and done that, we're just going to wash our mushrooms. Now, it's very important that we make sure our mushrooms are fully dry to avoid them getting soggy. Let those sit on a paper towel. As I leave these to dry, I'm just going to go ahead and cut out the stems in each one. Time to prepare our filling. Let's start by adding in our crab meat, our Parmesan cheese, cream cheese, and truffle aioli, parsley, our spices and herbs, Dijon and habanero mustard, garlic, and half of our chives. The rest is going to be to garnish. Salt and some pepper. Then mix. Our filling is ready to be stuffed in our mushroom caps. I've just lined my baking tray with some parchment paper, so now we're going to go ahead and add our filling. So you want to add about 1 tablespoon of filling to each one. There we go, nice and stuffed, and I'll just pop that on here. There we go. So we have a little bit of mixture left. You can pop this in the fridge and save this for another day. This would be really yummy if you just put this on some low-carb toast as well. So that's a little idea for you there. But in the meantime, we are going to go ahead and pop our stuffed mushrooms in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. There we go. We've just removed our mushroom caps from the oven. I removed them at 10 minutes because you want to definitely keep an eye on them, and these are nice and cooked just the way I like them. So I'm now going to go ahead and plate these up and then add a bit of chives. There we go. We'll just add a sprinkle of chives. Our mushroom caps are ready to enjoy. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure to give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.